Whispers followed Amir, each one a stone on his shoulders. Seeking escape, he found himself at a quiet farm, a sanctuary for rescued animals. At first, he was hesitant, but a gentle nudge from a curious lamb changed everything. He spent his days caring for the sheep and goats, learning that true strength wasn't loud, but quiet and kind. As the world prepared for Eid, he saw the same spirit of sacrifice and gentleness in the creatures around him. On the day of Eid al-Adha, surrounded by his new flock, Amir finally felt the peace and acceptance he had longed for. He wasn't an outcast, he was a shepherd.